Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our weekly spot. As you can see, we are at CVS and it's pretty quiet in here, just the way I like it. And we are going to be able to get our coupon on in peace. So y'all know how I do. We do not waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. So we have a lot of free cereal this week, so I'm excited to pick up some cereal because I feel like it's been a while since we had a lot of offers stacking for the cereal. So I'm going to be picking up 2 boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and 2 boxes of Lucky Charms. These are $1.99 each. So this is our complete cereal deal. This totals up to $7.96 for all 4 boxes. Loaded to my account digitally, I have a 2 off of 6 breakfast CRT that I was emailed, so I added that in. That's going to bring me down to $5.96. We also have a $1 digital coupon that'll bring me down to $4.96 at the register. But then I am going to submit over to Fetch Rewards. I have 1,900 points back for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I have 1,900 points back for the Lucky Charms. That is going to bring me down to $1.16 for 4 boxes. We also have some Ibotta rebates, but those Ibotta rebates excludes coupons. I'm only using coupons on one set of the products, so I should get at least one of these rebates back to make these completely free. So we'll see how that ends up working out. And I'm going to submit over to Alexa or Shopmium for the other 2 boxes of cereal that I'm not using a manufacturer coupon on. So all 4 of these boxes are going to be free after rebates. The question is how much of a moneymaker they are going to be after rebates. So we will see after I check out and submit my receipt. We have a lot of awesome lotion deals this week. This week should be called the lotion week, you guys. We got a lot of awesome lotion deals. So first lotion deal I'm not going to be doing is on the Vaseline. This week, these are a really awesome deal that you can do all digital. These are spend 12, get back a $4 extra buck. So the easiest way to do this is grab one big bottle and then one smaller bottle. So I'm going to pick up one of the large Vaselines for $9.29, and you can pick up one of the ones for $5.19. Now the total for these two, if you get the one that's $5.19, is $14.48. If you want to do this deal all digital, just pick those two up, use a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT, and that $4 digital coupon. You will pay out $7.48 and you'll get back the $4 extra buck. That'll make your final cost for these two just $3.48 or $1.74 each, which is a great price. So we have the same deal back on the Cetaphil that we had a few weeks ago. I am not going to do it because my store only has one, but if your store has 2 of these Cetaphil lotions, this is a great deal this week. So these are spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. What you want to do is pick up 2 of them for $10.99. Use 2 of the $4 printable coupons. I will have them linked for you to print in the description box and in the pinned comment of the video. Use a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT. At the register, you're going to pay out $10.98. You'll get back a $5 extra buck, and you can submit over to Ibotta for $2.25 on each one. Gonna make your final cost for these only 74 cents each. Now, one deal I am going to be doing this week is on the Nivea. So these are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck this week. We got brand new $2 coupons today, but I'm going to be using the $4 coupon. If you use the brand new $2 coupons that we got today and you use that $2 digital, that'll give you a total of $4 in savings. Then you want to use a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT. That would bring your total down to $7.58 at the register. Then you're going to get back that $5 extra buck. Make sure final cost for 2 of them, just $2.58 or $1.29 each. I'm going to be using the $4 manufacturer coupon, and then I think that $2 is going to come off as well. With that $4 coupon, you only have like a 48-hour grace period on it. It's only going to work till, what's today, Sunday. So this coupon will only work until about Monday if you want to use that coupon. But with both of those coming off, my final cost for 2 bottles is going to be only 58 cents. Next deal I'm going to be grabbing is the buy 3, get 10 on the CoverGirl. Since the price has gone up on these pencils right here to, I think, $5.79, I'm going to get 3 of the ones that are $5.49 down here instead. So I'm going to be picking up 3 of these pencils at $16.47. Everyone got a $3 instant coupon that I'm going to be using today. That is going to bring me down to $13.47. Then I'm going to use 3 of these $3 manufacturer coupons right here, and that is going to bring me down to pay $4.47 at the register. Then I'm going to get back a $10 extra buck, making my final cost for all 3 not only free, but a $5.53 moneymaker. So this is going to be my first transaction. We're going to get our cereal, we're going to get our Nivea, and we're going to get our CoverGirl. So let's go up to the front and see how this deal works out. Transaction worked out beautifully with our cereal. So there is the General Mills, the Lucky Charms, there is the CoverGirl, there is the 2 Nivea. All of my paper coupons scanned just fine, and the digitals came off along with my CRTs. I rolled in $13 in extra bucks and left my subtotal at 1 cent. So we paid out $13.01 in this deal, but now let's talk about what we got back. So I got back a total of $15 in extra bucks, $5 for the Nivea deal, and then $10 for the CoverGirl, which already made that transaction a $2 moneymaker. But then I submitted over to the rebate apps. I submitted over for $1 from Alexa for the 2 boxes of cereal that we did not use a coupon on. I submitted over to Fetch Rewards for $3.80. And I also submitted over to Ibotta, and I got $1.50 back from Ibotta. I did not get the dollar for the General Mills since we used the coupon on that, but I did get the $1.50 for the Lucky Charms. And I also hit my bonus on Ibotta, giving me back a total of $11 in cash back. So with no Ibotta bonus, this was an $8.29 moneymaker. But because I got over $31 back, this transaction was an $18.29 moneymaker for me. So now let's get into some household deals. So this week, we finally have our spend 30 get 10 back, but this week it only includes laundry items. So you want to pick up specific laundry items. I'm going to show you the ones I am going to grab. We're going to focus in on Tide products today. So the first thing I want to grab in my deal is 2 of these antibacterial fabric sprays. The reason I want these is because they're just $5.49, and we do have a $3 printable coupon. That is good on these. I'll have this link for you to print down below on the P&G site, but that already gives you $3 in savings towards this laundry deal for this spray. That same $3 printable coupon works on the Big Tide liquids, so I'm going to grab one of those. You can use that $3 printable, or you can use the digital. And then if you want to keep this deal all Tide products, you want to grab one of the Tide Pods right here. These are $5.49. We have a $1.50 printable coupon on the P&G site as well. So this is our complete Tide deal. This totals up to $31.46. With 3 $3 coupons for these items right here, plus a $1.50 coupon for this right here, you will pay $20.96 at the register. Then you are going to get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost just $10.96 for all 4 items, or $2.74 each, and that is actually a pretty good deal. Instead of Tide Pods, I am going to be grabbing a Gain liquid for my 4th item because I don't want the Tide Pods. I would prefer the liquid detergent, so I'm going to pay a little bit more in my breakdown. Next deal let's talk about is the spend 20 get 5 on the Cottonelle products. So these babies right here are $5 each. We're going to pick up a total of 4 of them to get up to $20. If you do not want the toilet paper, you can also grab the wipes over here. These are on the same promo, and we also have $1 coupons for these. This is all 4 of our Cottonelle. This totals up to $20. We have a $2.50 off 2 digital coupon, and you can also use 2 of those $1 coupons from the Cottonelle website. That will leave you to pay out $15.50 at the register, but then you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. And you can submit over to Swag Bucks for $2.50 on 2 packs. That will make your final cost for these just $8 or $2 per pack, which is a definite stock up price. Next thing I'm going to grab is 2 of these Olay collagen peptide cleansers. So these are marked for $7.55 in my store, but they're actually down to 50% off. So they're $5.39. We have a $5 off of 2 paper coupon, and I think the digital will come off as well, leaving me to pay just 39 cents each for these. So I'm going to try that out. All right, you guys. So this is going to be our next transaction. We are going to get our household items now. So I have my Cottonelle paper deal. I have my spend 30 deal. We're going to grab this Olay, and we're going to grab this CoverGirl.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
So in the first time that I rang this out, it looked like everything worked out okay because my total came down to about $10. But I actually had 2 coupons missing, my $3 CoverGirl that I forgot to clip and my $3 Tide Digital. So since that was $6 off, I decided to void the whole transaction and I re-rang it again, but I decided to scan the item, then scan the coupon to make sure that the digital would attach to the right item. So I rang it out again, and this time it was $3 lower, but I'm still missing $3. That transaction, there is the Cottonelle, there is Tide, the Gain, the other Tide products, the Olay, and the CoverGirl. This almost worked out perfectly, but I did have one issue that I thought might happen, and it did. So all of my paper coupons scanned just fine, but my Tide Digital is missing. And so when it first rang out, I saw the Tide Digital was missing, so I had her re-ring it and then scan the item, then scan the coupon to see if that would make the items attached to the right product, but they did not. Now, what I should have done is I should have printed a third Tide paper coupon to use in this deal, and then that would have ensured that everything came off, but I didn't feel like getting my husband's phone and printing another coupon from his phone. I was just ready to go this morning, and so because of that, I paid an extra $3 because I'm sure what happened is like the Gain attached to the Tide or something like that. But I rolled in a total of $30 in extra bucks and then paid out $2.19 out of pocket. So we paid out $32.19 in this deal. Then I did get back $25 in extra bucks, so we got back 10 for our spend 30, 10 for the CoverGirl, and 5 for our paper deal. Then I submitted my receipt over to Swagbucks, and that Swagbucks receipt did go into review for my $2.50 for the Cottonelle. So after that comes back, that will make my final cost for this transaction $4.69. With the additional $3 for the Tide that you need to have, that'll make that transaction with all of our household goodies only $1.69. Now I want to stop and announce the winner of this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner is Janet Lewis. You will send me an email at couponingwithstar@gmail.com. By Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. And then, of course, we're going to do it again. I'm going to be giving away another $25 gift card. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment down below. Since I got a nice Ibotta bonus today, I'm going to get myself something I want, and that is 2 of these Dove lotions that I have been looking at for weeks but haven't been buying. But I'm going to go ahead and buy them today. Even though they are going to cost a little bit, this is going to be a good deal. So this week, the Dove products are buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of these. These are $6.99 each, and I'm going to use 2 of the $2 manufacturer coupons. And these coupons came out in today's inserts, so they came out in today's paper. So we're going to use 2 of those. So after those coupons and a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT, at the register, I'm going to pay out $6.98. Then I am going to get back a $3 extra buck, making my final cost for these $1.99 each. This skincare clearance is absolutely amazing this week, so I decided to scan all of the Garnier products to see what was on clearance, and at my last scan, y'all, I finally hit the jackpot. So these babies right here are actually on clearance for $2.57. They are not marked in my store. We have a digital coupon for $2 that does apply, and I still have some printable coupons that don't expire until the 30th of the month. So with either of those coupons, these are just 57 cents, which is a definite stock up price. for facial cleanser. So I'm going to be getting a few of these today. One clearance find I did decide to leave today because I have enough of these from when they were free or a moneymaker. But these Gillette Intimate products are on clearance now. We have a $3 digital, so you can grab these for 49 cents or 99 cents depending on what you pick up. So this week, select Eucerin and Aquaphor products are spend 20 get 10. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this deal. The cheapest way would probably be to pick up 2 of the facial cleansers. These are $10.99 each, so 2 of them would total you up to $21.98. Use 2 of the $3 coupons that we got in today's inserts. You would pay out $15.98 and then get back a $10 extra buck. After that $10 extra buck back and paying $15.98, that would make your final cost for 2 of those $2.99 each. I actually need one of these also, so I'm going to get one of these body creams and one of the cleansing gels. So I'm going to pay a little bit more. Let me show you my breakdown. So my total is going to be $22.48. I have $6 in coupons on these products. At the register, I'll pay out $16.48. Then I'll get back a $10 extra buck, making my final cost $6.48 for both. Now I'm going to do a deal similar to what we did with the cereal, but this time I'm going to be grabbing these Fiber One bars. These are also $1.99. And then my friend Coupon with Tea texted me and told me to check the Kind products because a lot of them are on clearance for 75% off, including these right here. So I'm going to grab these bars because we have a $1 Ibotta rebate. So I'm going to pick up all 3 of these. This is going to total me up to $6.98. I have a 50% off of 2 digital coupon for the Fiber One. Since I can't unclip that, I'm going to have to use that instead of submitting over to Ibotta for the Fiber One. But if you haven't clipped that coupon, don't clip it, and it's actually cheaper to submit over to Ibotta. But I'm going to be using that. That's going to take off and bring me down to $6.48. Then I also have a 2 off of 6 breakfast CRT. That'll leave me to pay $4.48 at the register for these 3 items. But then I'm going to submit over to Fetch Rewards for 1,750 points for the Fiber One, so that'll take off $1.75 and bring me down to $2.73. And we also have a $1 rebate on the Kind bars on Ibotta. That'll make my final cost $1.73 for all 3 items, or 57 cents per. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go up and check out with my next couple transactions. I'm going to do everything except for the Eucerin that I'm going to break off in a separate transaction just to make sure that my out-of-pocket is minimized. I have my paper coupons pulled right here. Let's go do these 2 transactions and we'll be on our way. This is transaction number 1 with our Eucerin. I used the 2 $3 coupons and I had a $3 off your purchase. I rolled in $13 in extra bucks and I did get back my $10 in extra bucks, making the final cost for that $3.48 for both of those products. Let's go over this transaction with our Kind and Fiber One bars. There's our Garnier, there's the CoverGirl, and the Dove Lotion. So in this transaction, I rolled in $17 in extra bucks, and that left my subtotal at 60 cents. So we paid out $17.60 for this transaction. Then I did get back $3 for the Dove. I got back $10 for the CoverGirl, and we submitted over. I got back $2 on Ibotta. I got back $1.75 from Fetch Rewards. And Fiber One bars, our Garnier and Dove Lotion all came out to just 85 cents after our rebates and extra bucks back. So all right, you guys, this is my complete CVS haul for this week. This was another beautiful week at CVS. Thanks to my Ibotta bonus, this was all free, plus about a $9 moneymaker. Without that bonus, all of this still would have only cost under $1. It would have been about 75 cents, which I think is absolutely amazing. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.